Banana. Now when checking for ripeness, make sure your banana is mostly yellow. You don't want the skin to have any shades of green. Also, look for these brown spots here, which are caused by enzymes that turn the banana starches into sugars. First things first, simply bend the stem back, and I like to peel the skin from its sides like so. Now with the peel, you can either compost it or you can blend it and use the paste as a hair mask. Don't ask me how I know that. So I like to cut bananas at a bias, meaning at an angle, and this makes for a nice presentation. You can also cut the banana in half and then into quarters like so. This is great in a banana split or caramelized in the pan with some sugar. You can also cut into half circles, which are great for garnishing. Think pancakes, puddings, and oatmeal. So there's our banana as a quartered wedge, our half circles, and our bias cuts.